Hello and welcome everyone. Today's video going to show here about to set padding in Figma. First of all, what you're gonna do is about follow this video. It's gonna actually to be helping you a lot of things that gonna be really about to give you here instant things that is really about to give you here information about what we're gonna do and how it starts to be about be absolutely on. So first of all, what you're gonna do is about to follow this video. It's gonna actually to be about to go with the set padding with a plugin that it should be really used. So you can go to the plugin and padding here. So you can have a plugin called padding manager. And this gonna about to add it to your list. Now start to add anything through the padding, which is really through the top and the bottom and left and the right. Then press on OK. Maybe that's gonna work, but this is really not actually going on with that. So that's all about to help you through this video, and thank you for watching.